Ready to supercharge your project and get your team working in perfect harmony using Jira? Let's jump right in. We're starting within your chosen Jira project. First, locate the project you want to add members to. You're going to need to find the settings. There is a project settings option typically located on the left-hand navigation panel. Once in project settings, search for the People or Members tab. If you don't see it, make sure you have project admin permissions for the project. Otherwise, you may not be able to add users. Now click on the People tab. Here's where the magic happens. You should see an option to add members. Go ahead and click it. This action will start the process for adding team members to the project. This will open a space for you to begin typing the name or email of the person you want to add. Use the search function to locate the user. Jira will suggest names as you type for faster assistance. After selecting your desired user, you'll want to assign a specific role. Roles determine the level of access each user has within the project. Now assign permissions accordingly. Choose the appropriate role for each team member, like a viewer, or if you'd like to give them more control, a project administrator. After confirming your user, you'll receive a confirmation message. Repeat the above steps for each additional team member. You've successfully added team members. With your newly expanded team and proper access, your project is sure to run like clockwork.